Hi, welcome to the cooking spot. Today we are going to make chickpea tempura. First, let the chickpeas soak for about 10 hours. Then, add some salt to the water and boil the chickpeas until they reach the desired tenderness. Once the chickpeas are boiled, put a pan on the stove and add some coconut oil. Add mustard seeds to the oil, and when it gets hot, add dry shrimps. Next, add onion, curry leaves, and ginger garlic paste. The aroma will be delightful. Afterward, add dry chilli to the mixture. Alternatively, you can use chili flakes instead of dry chilli. Now, add chili powder and tomato sauce. Taste it and adjust the seasoning by adding salt and soy sauce. Prepare the chickpea tempura following these steps and give it a taste. Enjoy your meal.